Hi guys, it's me UB Programmer, and in this video I'll be talking about a machine learning project which is medical insurance cost prediction app. So this is the simple UI of the project. You can see we have an image on the background and then two main options, login and sign up. So our project has this functionality, uh, and it is built in the Django, right? Django Python framework, and you can create an account here. I already have signed up, so I will just log in into my account. And now you have admin account, and I'm just using this account, but you can just sign up with any other account. Okay, so here I am in my app, and you can see I have a logout option which I can just use when I am done using my app. Then I have two main options, which is one with the CSV file and the other is filling out this form and do the prediction. So let's use this one first. So I will just say my name is Obed, age is obviously 51, not 2, right? I was just entering random values, but you can use the like put these values from your dataset, right, to get the accurate result. Okay, BMI, children, a smoker, no, then region, then what I have done is implemented many machine learning algorithms related to regression, because this is a regression project. And you can see random forest, decision tree, random forest. So what I can now do is use any of these in the runtime to perform the prediction. So let's use random forest for now, and when I hit submit I will get this prediction, like this much should be spent on that customer, on this customer at the end. All of these are just values I was like trying out before recording this video. So let me just hide my webcam. Okay, and you can see I have date, time, then age what I entered, and you can see I have used random forest regression to perform the prediction, and the prediction is being shown here. So this number and this number right there is exactly same, right? Now I can just download this CSV. All of these predictions will be downloaded, and you can see it is downloaded as a CSV file, or I can just use app again. Now this time I will be giving my inputs as a CSV file. So I have here example inputs, and when I predict on this file I will get a prediction of this thing. So all of these inputs was saved in a CSV file. Let me show you. Okay, so here is whole like project structure, and this was the example input CSV which I just, so you can see southwest, yes, and then zero children and all that. And you can see all of these, based on all of these inputs, our model predicted that this amount should be spent on uh, customer, on this customer, right? Okay, so this is it, and I hope you like this project. You can always download these projects from the description. Just visit any of the project, and whatever you are interested in, you can download it. And the other thing you can do is fill out this form, the link in the description, to get a project explainer session, like a detailed explainer session, where I just show you whole pipeline about the project, right? Okay, now let's see what we have basically in our project, how it's doing all this stuff. Now the dataset we used is stored here with the link and the dataset original, right? Then example input I just show you. Then there is instruction to run project, so you can just read it out and do run the project on your local system, or you can just WhatsApp me or email me about it when you get the source code. Then we have all these models, so all of these models are being displayed here, right? You can see all of these models are saved here as the models folder. The notebook where we trained our models and exported them are here. Let me just close this terminal. And so this is the notebook where we have all the models. And then the requirements, so there is conda requirements, like a YAML file which you can use to create a environment for your project, and requirement.txt which has all the modules and all the stuff you used in the project, so that you can clone it out on your system. Okay, then you have the app, right? All of your data is being handled here in the views. So you can see predict with the file function is there, which is handling a CSV file from a form, obviously. Then you have predict with the form function, and then you got login, sign up functionalities, and the index page. All of these models are being loaded here. Okay, you got all the URLs like sign up, login, then log out, then predict with file, predict with input form. Okay, and I hope you like this project. And in this project we are using machine learning algorithms to deal with the regression problem, to deal with the medical insurance cost prediction problem. And you can use this app to predict like how much will be spent on a specific customer with a specific set of inputs, like he's smoking or not, how many children does the customer have, so all of these things. And I hope you like this, and just visit the description to download the source code, and ping me out anytime on this WhatsApp or mail to get the explainer session or talk about all of these projects on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.